What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 4
of my rainbow series.
Today we're doing green. This is a series where we do every single color in the rainbow with affordable products. I thought we'd switch it up a little bit and I would do my foundation and everything on camera. You see that fly just attack me? Look pasty. Now I'm going in with ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 20. I'm just gonna lather this on. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder. This is in 10. I didn't do my eyebrows.
Damn it.
Now I'm just highlighting with Beauty Creations Contour and Highlight Palette. Now I'm contouring with that same palette. Okay, so now that I've highlighted and contoured, we can move on to the eyes. To start, I'm going to go into this Esmeralda palette by Beauty Creations.
Cutie creations.
I'm going to go into this dark green shade right here. And I'm going to pack that only on the inner corner in the crease. Just using stamping motions. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to go into this e.l.f. palette. This is the Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette in Jewel Pop.
And
I'm going to go in with this green right there. And I'm going to go in and blend over that edge. My skin is so mad at me right now because I'm filming a lot of videos. My skin is just so mad. It's
hating me right now.
I don't know if you can see this, but look at the texture of my nose.
What the fuck?
Now I'm gonna go into this Cara Professional Makeup palette and I'm gonna go into this really light green shade. This palette is huge. I'm gonna go into this really light green shade right here with a really fluffy blending brush so we can use this as a transition and blend all of these colors together. because I really just want to get this cut crease
over with.
Because I've done this hundreds and hundreds of times. Well, I wouldn't say hundreds, maybe dozens, but not hundreds. I've practiced this technique a lot, so I can do it pretty fast, but this isn't something that you should rush. And I'm going to take this shade. Okay, the wings got a little more crazy and out of hand than I had anticipated. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same steps I did on this inner portion, and I'm gonna do it right here, right underneath the wing, and only there. You'll see. Watch, watch. So going in with that dark shade that we used from the Esmeralda palette, and I'm just gonna use that to draw a line underneath the wing. Then going in with that green from the e.l.f. palette, just a little bit, and I'm gonna go right over that line. And then that green from the Cara palette, the lightest one that we used. And I'm just gonna blend those out. And then I'm gonna do
The
the
same thing.
on my lower lash line. I'm gonna connect it to that wing. Okay, this is different, unlike anything I've
Done before.
Alright, so I have this e.l.f. eye pencil. It's in the green color. I think it's like olive or something. But it comes with a sharpener. Honestly, I hate the sharpener on this. Not only because is it really hard to sharpen this, which obviously you can tell that I love it, but because it's so small and like the cap fits it perfectly, so you're like struggling to twist it. But it's also extremely messy and hard to clean. But I'm gonna use this in my waterline. And it's not that pigmented in the waterline, but I think this was only like $1 or $2, so now I'm putting on these Rena lashes in the style Bella.
Ooh, child.
And for my lips, I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. lip color in Praline. I'm making chicken right now and it smells
So good.
I'm so hungry. I haven't even eaten today. And it's like 2 p.m. Then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Pout Perfector in Glow. I love this gloss so much. You're not really supposed to put it all over. You're supposed to just like put it in the center. But I can't help myself. Okay, I think this completes the look. Okay guys, the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a like and let me know in the comments that you guys are enjoying this series and if you're excited to see what I do with blue, because I'm excited. I don't even know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm excited. And we're actually coming to an end to this series and I'm happy but sad, like bittersweet, you know? But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!